What's up, guys? So previously on my I think on my last video, right? So I made an analysis about gold. This video, all I want to be doing is to be making a post analysis video, right? So I can show you guys what I traded and how I traded during the week, right? So if I made them profits or losses during the week. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into the video. But before we do that, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, and like this video. So guys, let's jump right in. Okay guys, so I believe you can see my screen right now. So before I start, I would like to say that last week gold was in a very bearish move, right? Gold went all bearish, like it dipped, right? Like gold. So on Tuesday, right? So as you can see here on Tuesday, I took this buy setup here on gold, right? And as you can see right here, you can see my winning, right? You can see my winning trade. Although I did not take up to 1:2, right? Although I saw up to 1:2, but like I was expecting gold, to come back to this zone because I can see this zone right here, this zone above here, right? This was where I was setting my take profit area right here. So, but gold did not get to this zone. Gold got to this resistance zone above here, right? And then started retracing. So immediately gold retraced. I had to exit my position, thereby giving me a 75 or 72 percent win, as you can see on my screen, right? So this was for Tuesday. I did not trade on Monday, right? So but this was for Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, I had my biggest win for the week. I had my biggest win for the week on Wednesday, right? I had 200 pips move on in my favor, right? So why did I take this trade? Let me explain why I took this trade on gold, right? So I went to the 1 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour. So I went to the 1 hour, and as you can see right here on the 1 hour, look at these guys. So like I said previously on my video, I always take break and retest of zones on gold, right? And I basically focus on the 4 hours and the 1 hour zone. So you can see here, gold created this 1 hour zone, broke it right here on the 1 hour. Then I set a pending order because that's what I use. I set a pending order here with a 50 pips stop loss. That's what I mostly use, 50 pips stop loss, right? So that was how I was able to catch this move. Then I exited. Right, same thing for this zone. You can see here, gold broke this zone, right? Once gold broke it, I set a pending order at this zone right here. And when this market pulled back up, this was the break. This bearish move right here was the break. Then immediately the market pulled back up, I was in, and you can see I took a 50 pips stop loss of 49 point something. Then gold dropped. This was where I was targeting. I think this high right here. Yeah. So this was where I was targeting. Let me go to my 4 hours because zones. Yeah. So this was the high I was targeting, but I literally made it 200 pips, right? Yeah, right, like this. This is what I took from gold last on Wednesday. So I made them 1:4. But on Thursday, guys, this is where I have to focus on Thursday, right? So I was actually looking to sell, but you can see what happened here. Gold broke this structure, right? But my mistake, I made a mistake on Thursday. I would say I made a mistake and I learned my lesson, right? I was actually supposed to be focusing on this zone above here, this zone that gold has already broken, right? And it has not retested that zone. So this was where I was actually supposed to be focusing, but I got carried away by this one that just got recently broke, right? So this was where I was supposed to be shorting from. And I should have been catching, like, in fact, I would have passed my prop firm account if I had caught it from here, but like, it is what it is. So I hit an SL here, 50 pips SL, 50 pips stop loss. I hit it right here, guys, but I was still in profit. Then on Friday, guys, this was what I saw on Friday. Gold literally broke this zone, right? And I was waiting for immediate retracement, then I can join the trade because although it happened right here, but I had not set my pending orders, right? So gold moved up all to this zone and then retraced back here. So I had to cut out in loss, right? I think around 18 pips or $18 loss, 18 pips stop loss, right? Loss. So this was literally my trade for the week. This is literally my trade for the week. So let me show you guys where I take my trades from. I take my trade from the 15 minutes, right? So you can see how what it looks like on the 15. You can see the break, you can see the latest, then you can see the push, right? Right. This one for Tuesday, you can see the break, latest, then push. So what was my confirmation for all this trade? I didn't use any. I don't like to confuse myself. That was literally my own. I don't like to confuse myself. I don't like to start maybe measuring trend line to Fibonacci and all those things, right? So I just have one conference for almost all these trade. I mean two. That is my F and arrow zone, and then my psychological levels, right? So that was literally what I used throughout last week, and you can see it worked exponentially well, right? I made a couple of profits, some losses, guys. Not some profit, then some losses. So that is it for last week. I will also be making a video about next week, right? I'll be showing you what I'm looking out for next week. Am I looking out for a buy? Am I looking out for a sell, right? So if you are interested in knowing more about gold and trading gold, do not subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the post notification bell, like this video, and then I'll see you when I